In this video, I will show you how to turn off Energy Saver on Windows 11. So to get started, go ahead and open your Windows device. And then from here, go ahead and press Win A on your keyboard to be able to open the quick settings on the right side of your screen. So in here, go ahead and click on the Energy Saver icon represented by the lift symbol to toggle it off. If you don't see it, click the pencil icon to customize your quick settings and add it. Now, if this doesn't work, you can go ahead and use system settings. So to do that, you need to go ahead and head over into the control panel. So click on control panel if you have that on your home screen. And then from here, go ahead and click on system and security. And then inside it, click on power options. So from here, you can go ahead and set this to Acer to be able to disable Energy Saver for your Windows device. And that is how you can basically turn off Energy Saver on Windows 11.